there's a figure already graphed for us, and they want us to reflect it over y equals 1 line, which is graphed there in blue. So again, you can apply your rule, or you can just count. So if we take, let's call it point J, it is 1 unit above the y equals 1 line, so it needs to be 1 unit below. So here's J prime. And then you just move around your figure. And if you want to keep labeling your points on paper, that is fine. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I need to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's L prime. And then we'll call this M. And we are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we just connect our figure.